Okay, our next topic is codes. So, what is mean by code? So, first of all, code is nothing but the group of symbols is called code. For example, if we are treating decimal number system in our day-to-day life, definitely we are using a decimal number system. It's like one type of code, right? So, we are using nine different digits in that language, in that code, right? So, in our language also, even English, Hindi, Telugu, these languages also one type of code, right? Information transmission done with the help of those languages, those codes, right? That means the code is nothing but what? The group of symbols is called code. We have three types of codes in our digital electronics point of view. So one is non-binary code. This is non-binary code, and the next one is binary codes, and third one is alphanumeric codes. Any digital machine can understood only the binary codes. Okay, so before inventing this binary codes, we have only the possibilities non-binary code, that is Morse code, right? So when it comes to this alphanumeric codes, some of the microcontrollers we can prefer this alphanumeric codes. First, we will look into non-binary codes. So here the non-binary code is Morse code. In this code, we are using dots and dashes to transfer the information from one place to another place. So non-binary code, that is Morse code, only one code is available, that is Morse code. So in this Morse code, we are using dots and dashes are the symbols to construct the message, right? So with the help of these dots and dash only, we can transfer data from one point to another point, right? So this is about non-binary code. So before inventing the binary code, this was the one option to transfer the data from one place to another place, right? So when it comes to binary codes, so we have six types of binary codes which are available in our digital electronics point of view. First, we will look into that particular aspect. So first one is BCD code. BCD means binary coded decimal. Next one is XS3 code, and next third one is we can take it as 8421 code. 8421 or BCD codes almost all similar. 8421 codes. Not only 8421, 5421, one like that we have so many codes are there. And next fourth one is gray code, and fifth one is error detecting codes, and sixth one is error correcting codes. So these are the possible number of codes in binary. And next, when it comes to alphanumeric codes, and these alphanumeric codes are which are very helpful for 8051 microcontroller, not only 8051. So in so many controllers we are using these codes, alphanumeric codes. So in that, first one is baudette code, which is 5-bit code. Okay, this baudette code is 5-bit code. That means code word length is 5-bit, right? So 5-bit code. And next one is internal code. Second one is internal code. This is 6-bit code. That means the code word length is 6-bit. And next third one is ASCII code. ASCII, which is called 8-bit code. That means code word length is what? 8-bit. Okay, out of this 8-bit, 7 bits are code, 1 bit is parity bit. Next one is EBCDIC code, and which is 8-bit code. Okay, some textbooks ASCII code refers as 7-bit code. Parity bit can be ignored by some authors. So here ASCII code is some textbooks refers as 7-bit code only. In case in entrance point of view, if you have options with 4-bit code, 5-bit code, 6-bit and 7-bit code, just you can choose 7-bit code. In case both options, like one option is 7-bit, another one is 8-bit is there, in that situation also you can prefer 7-bit code only. Don't put 8-bit code one, okay? Otherwise I will mention in the next page. Okay, so ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this is 7-bit code word, otherwise the code word length is 7-bit, right? So this is about what are the available codes in our subject. Okay, code is nothing but group of symbols, and we have three types of codes. One is non-binary code, and binary codes, and alphanumeric codes. So non-binary code means that is only one code is available, that is Morse code. When it comes to binary codes, we have six types of codes are available. One is BCD code, next one is XS3 code, and 8421 code, gray code, error detecting codes, and error correcting codes. And next one is alphanumeric codes, which are four types. So one is baudette code, this is 5-bit code, and the second one is the internal code, that is 6-bit code. And when it comes to ASCII code, this is 7-bit code, and total we have 8 bits. One bit is allocated for parity. And next one is EBCDIC code. This is also called as 8-bit code word. and these are the available codes. So first we will discuss only binary codes. That means our subject deals with only binary language, zeros and ones, so that we require only binary codes, not all the codes. Okay,